what we're working with. This is what we're fishing at. Maybe we'll catch something, maybe we won't. I guess we'll find out though. Ooh, damn, I'm almost out of fishing line too. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh no. I gotta tighten up my drag. There we go. Oh yeah. Little guy. Look at that. Alright, we're gonna have to go down. You ain't going nowhere, girl. You are mine. That's right, that's right. Oh shit. Let's see if we can get a flip on her. Yes. Oh, fuck yeah, a chunk out the creek. Yeah, look at that. Whew, that's what I'm